Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today we will explore our top 10 quotes from Jim Rohn. We will also be exploring the meaning behind some of Jim Rohn's most famous and influential quotes. Jim Rohn was an American entrepreneur, author, and motivational speaker who inspired millions of people around the world with his wisdom and insights on success, personal development, and leadership. So without further ado, let's get into our top 10 quotes from Jim Rohn. Quote 1. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Now, this quote expresses the idea that success is not necessarily about being naturally talented or gifted, but rather than about consistently putting in the effort and discipline necessary or required to achieve our goals. Quote 2. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Now, this quote emphasizes the importance of discipline in helping us to turn our goals and aspirations into reality. Without discipline, it can be easy to get sidetracked or lose motivation. But with discipline, we can stay focused and achieve our goals. Quote 3. The more you know, the less you need to say. Now, this quote speaks to the idea that knowledge and understanding often speak for themselves, and that it is often better to let our actions and our understanding do the talking rather than relying on empty words. Quote 4. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. This quote highlights the choice we all face between putting in the hard work and discipline required to achieve our goals, or accepting the disappointment and regret that comes from not doing so. Quote 5. The challenge of leadership is to be strong, but not rude. Be kind, but not weak. Be bold, but not bully. Be thoughtful, but not lazy. Be humble, but not timid. Be proud, but not arrogant. Have humor, but without folly. Powerful quote. This quote lists the qualities that Jim Rohn believed were important for effective leadership. It emphasizes the need for a balance between strength and kindness, boldness and thoughtfulness, and humility and pride. Quote 6. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. This quote suggests that while formal education is valuable for providing the skills and knowledge needed to get by in life, it is self-education and a lifelong love of learning that will truly set us apart and lead us to success and wealth. Quote 7. The more you value yourself, the less you will be willing to put up with anything less than your best. Now, this quote highlights the idea that self-worth and self-esteem are important for setting boundaries and not settling for less than we deserve. When we value ourselves and our own abilities, we are more likely to hold ourselves and others to high standards. Quote 8. The bigger the problem, the bigger the challenge, the bigger the opportunity. This quote encourages us to see challenges and problems as opportunities for growth and improvement rather than as obstacles to be avoided. Quote 9. Success is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. This quote suggests that success is not necessarily about doing extraordinary or unique things, but rather about consistently excelling in the ordinary tasks and responsibilities that make up our daily lives. Quote 10. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. This quote encourages us to embrace the hard work and discipline required for success rather than looking for the shortcuts or complaining about the difficulties we face. It suggests that our own personal growth and improvement is the thing that will ultimately lead us to success rather than our external circumstances. So there you are, the top 10 quotes from Jim Rohn. Remember, successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it was easier, wish you were better. And be willing to get the skills necessary to get there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and share for more content like this.